So it's time to pick up our first multi-night guest, Mr. Daheen, Dave LeBreton. Should be here in 10 minutes. I'm just going to pick him up.
How you going?
Hello, yay, I'm here.
Welcome.
Yeah.
We've now had Dave join us. He's staying with us for 3 days. Awesome to have one of our good friends here on the boat. We were going to stay the night in Trogier, but it was pretty horrible and industrial there, so we've come to a little bay nearby. The sun's setting. Chris and Dave are going to explore some old church or something nearby, and then we're going to have a lovely dinner in. How are you enjoying your first swim in Croatia?
Oh, it's so good. Jumped off the boat, around the way. Croatia. There's an old thing over there. It's awesome.
I believe it's a church.
The sail was more damaged than I thought, but it had already been repaired by the previous owner, so it's a natural spot where it rubs against there's a little roll bar up there when we tack it from side to side. Yeah.
Hey boys, how's the sail going?
This is magical. Yeah, it's such an incredible feeling just to be cruising along with the power of the wind and looking at the beautiful villages off to the shore, and we've got a beautiful day. This is awesome. And Chris has been teaching me all the little tricks and
Flappy sail.
Got distracted by the camera.
There we go, no, that's good.
Yeah.
Did Chris tell you a flappy sail is not a happy sail, Dave?
Oh, I hadn't heard that one, but that's good. I like that.
That's what we learn at sailing school.
Got Chris and Alyssa together in front of the camera. It doesn't happen too often.
Dave's come on just to film us.
That's right, yeah. They brought on their own photographer. Having a lovely salad here that Alyssa's cooked up. And we're in the most beautiful spot here. Blue Lagoon with amazing turquoise water and incredible visibility. We've all been for a bit of a snorkel and a paddleboard and a swim, and it's pretty lush really.
And Dave, you checked the anchor?
I checked the anchor. Anchor's looking good. Yeah. We had a great little anchoring session and scored a sweet spot, and the weather's beautiful, and yeah. How you guys going?
Good. Yeah. Under the like deer and spotlight.
I know.
I'm used to holding the camera like this. It's great to have you on board, Dave. Another pair of hands to help us sail, and Alyssa can kick back and
do nothing.
Fabulous. It's good to have a great friend on board and share the experience. Okay, now you're playing the same sort of 60-30 game on this side. So we need to get a bit of boat speed up, so if you just head downwind a little bit towards that island. No, that's not fair.
Lovely day for a sail. And with Davey here, I just get to kick back and enjoy myself on the ladies' lazy lounge, which is fabulous. So thanks, Dave, for being an awesome support for Chris on the boat. Davey, going 8.1 knots. How does it feel?
I feel alive.
You almost hit like the record of our 8.3 or 8.4 knots in the boat.
Oh, that's awesome.
Woohoo! What's this unique sailing position called, Chris?
I think it's I don't know if it's orthodox, but I think it's called wing and wing. So we've got the mainsail out on the port side, and we've got the Jenica out on the starboard side, and it seems to be working.
So Dave's been put to work helping get the shorelines off. He's done ours. Now he's helping our lovely Aussie neighbours. These are our new Aussie friends from Adelaide. Great job on the lines, Dave.
Thank you. That was fun.
How's the pumping going, Chris?
Dave's doing a great job. Yeah. He's got his little hose in there.
Yeah, that's almost dry actually. Yeah.
What's your opinion on the engine check, Dave? Any thoughts?
Good to go, I think. Yep, let's fire this baby up.
Chris and I have both got sunburn, so we are wearing our rashies like good little Australians.
Mine looks really good.
Are you saying mine doesn't?
Yours could be a bit more colourful.
There you go.
Hey.
I'm very impressed to see you've picked up Chris's foot steering habit.
Yeah, that's right, I'm feeling like a pro.
Yeah, get that foot steering going.
Kicking back with my beer, foot on the steering wheel. Gorgeous day, sailing the Croatian coastline. Doesn't get much better.
So if you come sailing with us, you've got to do what Dave's doing, and that's everything.
So we can sit back and relax.
Yeah.
It's Killer Wasp versus Chris and Dave and their scary electrifying tennis rackets.
Oh, he's got one. Oh.
How's the fishing going?
Oh, look, we've caught so many fish, I've run out of equipment. I've only got one hook left. Oh. And, oh, my bait's gone. It's been eaten. Got him. Yeah, see that in the water. What do you need money for? Oh, really?
Oh, all the fruit and veggies we went by.
Oh, yeah. Look at you, so happy.
Oh no, look at these things. Sailing off the anchor. Woohoo! It's a first.
Yeah.
It's also probably not the safest thing, but